Hey you guys, this is Lori at TMI Gifts. Check us out at tmigifts.com. We're on all of the platforms. I want to tell you about our Grapevine Wreaths. If you're looking for a source for Grapevine Wreaths, we have them. We have a 24-inch oval, we have a 18-inch round, an 18-inch oval, and we also have a 24-inch round. So if you're looking for a place to buy bulk Grapevine Wreaths, great quality. So if you're looking for Grapevine Wreaths and you want bundles of 10, these can ship in bundles of 10. Any size comes in bundles of 10, or you can buy one. If you're buying $50 or more, you can use the code TMI SHIP for free shipping. If you're spending $50 or more, or you can use any of our collaborator codes on these as well. So if you're looking for a source for your Grapevine Wreaths, TMI Gifts has you covered.